Are you looking for a vehicle that combines luxury, safety, and eco-friendliness? Look no further than the 2024 Volvo Xc90 8 PHEV Plus Dark AWD. This sleek black estate vehicle boasts a powerful 2-litre engine that runs on both petrol and plug-in hybrid electric for maximum efficiency. Loaded with advanced features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, this Volvo is designed with your comfort and safety in mind. With additional amenities like a glass roof, spoiler, and self-driving capabilities, you'll be riding in style and security. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can get behind the wheel of the 2024 Volvo XC90 8 PHEV Plus Dark AWD.